Hey, this is Cam here at Island GM here in beautiful Duncan, British Columbia, Canada. And I've got a video review of a 2012 Dodge Journey for you. That's right. Came with some cool features like this roof rack up here. But what else does it have? Let's go find out. Take a look at the trunk space. Now, it doesn't look like a lot of trunk space, but you don't need the third row of seating. You can knock it down for even more space. This vehicle has 216 kilometers on it. You also have your cruise control and Bluetooth, manual headlights, powered side mirrors, windows, and locks too. Got a nice big touchscreen infotainment system with a radio. You got your climate control, as well as down here as well. Physical buttons, touchscreen buttons. Of course, you got your radio and everything else. Backup camera. It's an automatic. USB and auxiliary port in here. If you could see that blue lighting down there, that's it. And as mentioned before, it has seating for... Wait, I didn't tell you how many people it sat. I just said it had a third row. Well, you have one row of 2 passengers, 3 passengers in the middle, 2 passengers in the rear there, for a grand total of 7 passengers. Check you all next time.